Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a beach bag. This bag is very fun and easy to make, and you can use this bag for everything. Doesn't have to go to the beach to use this bag, it's just the name. And I have free written pattern. It's available on our blog at knitcrowaddict.com, and if you prefer the PDF printable version, it's available for purchase on our Etsy, Ravelry and Lovecraft. I'll put all the links in the description below. I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Here is the material that I use for this project. For this project, I use Alice Baha. This is 100% mercerized cotton yarn. In each ball it have 260 meters. It is about 274 yards. And you need 2 balls for this bag. And this is my second ball. And here's what I have left. So I use about 470 yards, something like that. And the color that I use, the color code is 3673. Okay. And this is size 3 lightweight DK yarn. And of course you can use any kind of yarn you like, and if you wanna turn out like mine, use the same yarn that I use. Okay. And I use the cotton craft cord for the straps. This is 4mm cord, and this is size pokey number 5. And I use about 60 inches. Crochet hook 4.5mm. Scissors, yarn needle and stitch marker. Okay, first make a slip knot. Use any method you prefer for making a slip knot. And then make 71 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 71 chain here, and then we're gonna make half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and then into each chain across. So I yarn over hook, insert the hook into that second chain from the hook, and then yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. And now I want you to place this stitch marker into the first stitch in every round, because we work in spiral, so we're not gonna slip stitch when we end the round, and we're not gonna chain 1 to start new round. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make half double crochet into the next chain here, and then half double crochet into the next chain, and then half double crochet into the next chain. Okay, so I just gonna make half double crochet into each chain across here, and then at the end I will meet you guys back in. We're gonna crochet on the other side of the chain across to crochet in round. Okay, don't worry, I'll meet you guys back in here. Okay, I'm at the end here, and I have a total of 70 half double crochet stitches across here. And then next we're gonna make 1 half double crochet into each chain on the other side across, and then you should have the same 70 half double crochet on the other side as well. So 70 this side, 70 this side, total of 140 half double crochet stitches around round 1, sorry. Okay, so don't worry, I'll show you. So this is the last half double crochet I make into the last chain, and then I just gonna turn the other side like that, and then I gonna make half double crochet into the same chain that I make the last half double crochet here, right here. Okay, make half double crochet, and then half double crochet into the next chain here, and then half double crochet into the next chain, and then half double crochet into the next chain here, half double crochet into the next chain, and half double crochet into the next chain. If you cannot see, just take your time, and you can see this half double crochet from this side, and then you should make half double crochet on this side right there. Okay, so this is gonna be the next, this is gonna be next, this is gonna be the next. All right, just keep making half double crochet into each chain across here, and I will be back when I'm at the end. I'm at the end of round 1 here, and I have a total of 140 half double crochet stitches around. And then for round 2, gonna remove the stitch marker first, and then we're gonna make half double crochet into the first stitch there, the stitch that we just removed the stitch marker. Just make half double crochet. This is the first half double crochet on round 2, and then place this stitch marker back into the first stitch in every round, and then make half double crochet into each stitch around. It's gonna be very easy pattern. So I make half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so I just gonna keep making half double crochet into each stitch around, no increase or decrease. Oops. All right, and I will meet you guys back in when I'm at the end of round 2 here. I'm at the end of round 2 here, and I have the same 140 half double crochet stitches around. So for round 3 to round 44, I'm gonna repeat round 2, and if you want a longer back, just keep repeating round 2 more times. Okay, I'm gonna show you a few stitches on round 3 here. Like I said, just repeat round 2. So we remove the stitch marker first and make the half double crochet into the first stitch there, and then don't forget to place the stitch marker back into the first stitch in every round, and then half double crochet into each stitch around. Oops, sorry, right here. Very easy pattern, just make half double crochet over and over. Okay, I just gonna keep repeating round 2 until I have a total of 44 rounds, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 44. So when you keep repeating round 2 more, it'll go up like that. As you can see, the shape is start to go up. Okay, yeah, I will be back when I'm at the end of round 44. Good luck, and I'll be back soon. I'm at the end of round 44 here, and here's what it looks like. And then I already cut the yarn here. So, oops, sorry, I'm gonna undo my last half double crochet. Okay, so yeah, I cut the yarn here, and then next I pull my yarn out like that, and then I'm gonna weave the end. If you like, you can also just make a slip stitch into the marker stitch, but I don't like to do that, so I'm gonna show you my method. So I insert the tail into my yarn needle here, and then I'm gonna skip the next stitch, which is the stitch marker, and then I insert my needle into the stitch after that, like that, and then I just gonna remove the stitch marker and bring it in like that. And now I'm gonna insert my needle back into the last half double crochet on round 44 here, in the middle part here, and then go in the back like that. See, I just create a new stitch here. Here's what I like to end, but yeah, totally up to you. Okay, and then I just gonna weave the end, hiding my tail. Maybe I tie a couple knots around here and then keep weaving my end. And now I'm done. I just gonna go back and do this later, deal with the tail later. And then next, make the strap. So to make the strap, you need to cut the cord. I cut about 30 inches, 2 pieces, 2 strands, sorry. So this is 30 inches, and if you want a longer than this, you can do that as well. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna bring one here, and now I just gonna maybe I gonna tie a knot around here. You can play around with it. So I just gonna insert the tail from the inside of the bag to outside around, so 1 2 3 4 5 round below from the top here, like that. I just gonna insert through the stitches in between the half double crochet stitches, like that. So from here to where I just insert my cord, it is about 3.5 inches. Okay, and then I gonna tie a couple knots, and then I gonna leave a little bit of this end, maybe just one knot, I'm not sure. Make sure that the knot doesn't go through the stitches here. I think one knot is good. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So 5 round below, so 1 2 3 4 5 should be around here. Let's see, yeah. I'm just gonna bring my big hook to help me grab this. Okay, sorry about that. And then I'm gonna do exactly the same on that side. Tie a knot. Like that. Okay, here's what it looks like. And if you don't like how it looks, you also can remove the knot and then do that again. Or if you think the knot is too small, you can make a double knot as well, like that. Okay, just play around with it. See, this one have 2 knots, this one have 1 knot. And then I gonna turn the other side up and do exactly the same. I bring my strap here, okay, and then tie a knot. And then do the same on this side. And that's it. Oh, I love it. Very easy and cute. If you think this is too small, you also can, you know, double it and make it bigger. Just play around with it. And if you want to make a lining, I have separate video tutorial for that, how to make a lining for your crochet bag or knitting bag, and I use that method for every bag that I have. Alright, I'll put the link in the description below. But for this bag, I'm not gonna make a lining. I don't think that is necessary, but yeah. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy making this easy peasy crochet bead bag. If you enjoy making this bag, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. And I would love to see everyone's work. If you want to share with me, just text me on Facebook or Instagram at KnitCrowAddict. And I also gonna put all the links in the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.